everyone to break 461 for the 2018 Hit Parade Autograph Football. Box 67 out of 100. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's check the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, February 23rd, 2019. It's 10:18 p.m. Eastern Time. It's 9:18 p.m. Central Time and 7:18 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Kelly with 8 spots, Brandon with 2, Robert with 2, Matt 1, Obsessed Fishery with 5, Chris with 4, Anthony with 1, and Argos with 9 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Kelly's on top, Argos on the bottom. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Kelly on top and bottom. Alright, let's see who has what for their teams. Kelly has the Cardinals, Fishery Falcons, Argos Ravens, Kelly Bills, Fishery Panthers, Chris with the Bears, Argos Bengals, Robert Browns, excuse me, Kelly with the Cowboys, Argos Broncos, Anthony Lions, Brandon Packers, Argos Texans, Brandon Colts, Chris Jaguars, Robert Chiefs, Chris Chargers, Rams, Kelly Dolphins, Matt Vikings, Argos Patriots, Saints, Kelly Giants, Argos Jets, Raiders, Kelly with the Eagles, Steelers, Fishery 49ers, Seahawks, and Buccaneers, Argos Titans, and last but not least, Kelly with the Washington Redskins. Okay. So here we are. A little limited on space, but here we are. So this is 461. I'm going to flip this guy down. Good luck to everyone. So I'm going to pull this out and then put the box off to the side, but we'll leave this open. Alright, good luck everyone. Big old box. So this is a full-size autograph football. If this is an active player, it's going to go who they're currently playing for. If it's a retired player, it's going to be who they played for the longest. If the longest is with 2 different teams, just go ahead and randomize it. One second. There we go. Alright, there's the football. Getting the box out of the way so we have more space. Okay. There's our player. Alrighty. So much paper. Does anyone recognize that autograph? That is a K and an H. There's our JSA. And we have ourselves Kareem Hunt. He has had an interesting 12 months. He is an active player, so this will go to his active team. He's back in the league, as you all know. So let's pull up Kareem Hunt. Okay. So he played for the Chiefs in 2017 and 2018. Now, the Browns just signed him. He hasn't played it down for them. So, to make this fair, let me see who has the Browns and the Chiefs, because he played for the Chiefs. He technically hasn't even stepped on the field yet for the Browns. So we have Robert. And Robert. Well, Robert, congratulations. That made it that pretty easy. Robert, you have the Kareem Hunt autograph football. Congratulations, and thank you everyone for getting in the break. We have more of the Hit Parade full-size autograph footballs. Make sure you stick around for the bonus break spot. Everything that breaks tonight will go out first thing Monday morning, and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.